Hi, Apple, world's most valuable company with market cap of $2.24 trillion, held its big event of 2021 named Spring Loaded on 20th April. The main announcement of event have been deciphered in this video. First, iMac. One of Apple's older products, the iMac has not seen a significant revamp for years. Now Apple announced first significant update to the iconic iMac desktop. Completely redesigned new super thin iMacs will be available in 7 different colors, built with Apple's new M1 chip with 24-inch 11.3 million pixel screen, along with a revamped camera and other upgrades. Apple claims the iMac will be able to decrease delay times during video calls, and it also got an improved webcam inside using the M1 chip, and new wireless keyboards with Touch ID for authentication have also been launched by Apple with matching colors. The Apple M1 is designed by Apple Inc. as a CPU for its Macintosh computers and iPad Pro tablets. The M1 is the first Apple designed processor deployed in Macintosh computers, and it is the first personal computer chip built using a 5 nanometer process. Apple claims that it has the world's fastest CPU core in lower power silicon and the world's best CPU performance per watt power consumption. The firm is increasing the number of products which will contain its own in-house developed M1 chip as the sector struggles with the global semiconductor shortage. The move to Apple's own silicon has so far been a success. The new M1 chip MacBook computers have had rave reviews, so it was only a matter of time before Apple switched its other products over to the new design. So these are the 7 colors for iMacs. See how you can see how elegant they looks and so slim and beautiful. iPad Pro 2021. The new iPad Pro looks set to be a major upgrade over the previous version of iPad Pro that was launched in 2020. Firstly, the iPad Pro will use Apple's same M1 chip that was used in iMac and MacBook computers. And because of this chip, this new iPad Pro will see a 50% boost in power over the iPad Pro 2020. The iPad Pro 2021 will also have 5G connectivity, that is a huge improvement. Then it will have improved Liquid Retina XDR display that packs in 10,000 mini LEDs to improve the quality of the screen. The M1 chip will make the latest versions graphics performance 1500 times faster than the original iPad. The new model will also feature up to 2 terabyte of storage while the previous one was having maximum 1 terabyte. And this new iPad Pro will have ultra wide camera, 12 megapixel camera that can automatically track you during video calls. I would like to remind you that this facility is presently available with devices like Facebook Portal device or rotating Amazon Echo Show 10 device that are being used and already available in market. But now as iPad Pro is bringing out similar functionality of personal tracking in any video call with this iPad Pro, so this may kill both of the devices that are already available in market. Given how important video calling has become this year, it makes sense that Apple would look to make every improvement it could or it can to the audio and video capabilities of each of its products. With these improvements, the new iMacs and iPads will be the fastest and the most powerful ever. So now, finally, Apple unveiled its much anticipated tracker. These are small round discs which can be attached to anything and transmit a Bluetooth signal to home gadget like your iPhone or iPad to alert the user to their location. The user will be able to attach to these your keys or your dog's collar or your backpack, anything. And if you lose them, you will be able to find it using your phone or iPad. Company had claimed that these AirTags have been designed to track items and not the people, with features such as rotating identifiers and audible alerts from unknown tags built in to protect privacy. This AirTag will cost around $29 in US, but if you are purchasing pack of 4 AirTags, you have to pay around $99. This product looks very much like a product already available in market named Tile. The original tile tracker was launched following a successful crowdfunding campaign in 2014. This is tile. Though AirTags claims to have a different tracking system. This is another example in the long line of big tech companies borrowing or copying ideas from smaller companies. Regarding iPhone 12, iPhone 12 and 12 mini are available in a new color, that is purple color. And for other intents and purposes, the purple iPhone is the same as the existing iPhone 12 or 12 mini. Only one color has been added. Apple TV 4K 2021, the new 4K Apple TV with a redesigned Siri remote and HDR, high dynamic range, with same A12 Bionic chip that is found in iPhone XS has been released. This could play HDR and high frame rate videos. HDR offers a greater range of colors, making pictures more vivid and realistic. The new Siri remote, which overhauls the button layout and vanishes the divisive trackpad, looks very elegant as you can see in this picture. Regarding operating system, company said the rollout of the latest version of its operating system iOS 14.5 is due out next week, which will include a update limiting what app owners can see about user activity outside of their own apps without permission. Apple wants to limit how companies follow you on the internet on Apple devices. The feature will require apps to get explicit permission from users before tracking them across other apps. As a result, when opening many apps next week, iPhone users will have pop-up windows that will ask them whether to allow the tracking. Digital advertisement companies like Facebook, Google that relies heavily on ad revenue is against the move, as they are expected to gather less data about users as people may decline the tracking. So the popular business model for free internet services like that of Facebook, which uses the data they gather on their members' online habits to target advertising, may be hit. Apple said it merely giving consumers the right to choose whether to be tracked, but this decision could have far more significant industry-wide implications. Then announcement regarding recycling. Tim Cook began the spring-loaded presentation by announcing that Apple is now carbon neutral across its global corporate operations and that it had plans to be neutral across its entire supply chain by 2030. So these initiatives are steps in right direction towards more sustainable production and for keeping in view the climate change and SDGs. So this was all about tech update in for today. We will meet in next video with another tech update. Take care. Bye.